And I have a YouTube sensation, Chef Emi of YouTube, Chef Emi. Go follow him online. Chef, you are 45, 46 years old. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Okay. You are here. You're going to make us something really awesome today. Talk to me about this amazing dish you're going to put together.
So today I am making plantain cups.
Plantain cups. So we've got a couple different parts here. So we've got the plantains, which we have to fry. We have the contents of the cups that we're going to put in there. And then we have this sauce, which you're actually going to make for us right now. I got to tell you, at 9 years old, I could barely put together a peanut butter sandwich. So make this sauce. And while you're making this, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. What made you want to get into cooking at such a young age?
I saw my family cook a lot, so I love to be in the kitchen with my mom and dad.
Okay.
And it was just a great experience. It was a way that I could express myself.
All right. So you've also, I understand, have cooked for or actually 2 Iron Chefs. How was that?
It was actually a great experience.
Yeah.
I got to bake some cookies. Chocolate cookies.
You're making right now, is this a topping for the final product?
Yes.
Wow, that is incredible. So you've added some mayonnaise, a little bit of water, some ketchup, black pepper, salt.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder, very good. I like that. And then it looks like we're bringing a little bit of heat with the Tabasco.
Yep.
Very cool. Now, at home, you do all this cooking. Do you have to do all the dishes as well, or do we have like a system set up, like mom, dad, if I cook dinner, you guys, he's looking off camera because mom and dad's over there. You can tell us the truth. It's fine, everybody.
Well, my mom and dad usually do the dishes.
Wow. That's a nice setup. I mean, well, you're cooking for them, so I say that's a fair trade-off. So you're making this little topping together. I like it. You're going to mix that up. Let's start getting ready to, do we have to cook that?
No.
Okay, so that's just a cold topping. All right, very good. All right, for the next step, what do we got to do? We got to fry these, right? So talk me through this.
So you want to get them with that, and then put it in there.
The oil.
Yes.
Very hot.
Yes.
Very dangerous.
Keep your hands away.
Keep my hands away. Very good.
And then
we just put it in there.
Yep, just leave it in there.
Okay, and let it cook in there.
Yeah,
and then it'll come out looking like this guy. It's nice and crispy. Got a nice texture. Very good. I like that. Yeah. Beautiful.
And the reason why we do it the first time, we do it 2 times. The first time is so we can cook the inside, and the second time is to get it crispy.
So what are we going to do now? We're going to come over to the crock pot. The crock pot's been going for a while. This is like a multi-step thing, right? So how do I do this part here?
So basically, you want to take the lid off.
Yeah.
Get this one.
Yeah.
And then you want to get your chicken.
Yep, put it right over
But
there.
you want to make sure you drain it.
Drain it out. Good call. That's a pro tip.
So then you would put your cheeses.
All right.
Feta cheese with mozzarella cheese.
Yeah, that's your favorite?
Yep.
Okay.
And then you want to get your sauce.
Just a little bit of the drizzle right there. And what is this called again?
Wepa sauce.
Wepa sauce. But what is the whole dish called?
Plantain cups.
Plantain cups.
Yep.
Is this your own creation, or did you?
This is my own creation. I thought of making something Dominican for you guys.
Very nice. It looks delicious.
Then
it looks
you want to
incredible.
get your pickled onions.
Okay.
And there.
Look at that. I'm going to come right back around you here because I want the good people at home to see this right here. This looks amazing.
Yes.
Very healthy.
Yeah.
A lot of energy with the protein, with the chicken. So where can people go find you online?
They can find me on Instagram.
Okay. He's on the gram, ladies and gentlemen. 9 years old. He's on the gram.
Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, I think.
All right. You're like MasterCard. Everywhere you want to be, you can find the chef here. This looks delicious. I want to thank you for coming in today. Folks, go follow him. Learn something new. He's creating stuff at 9 years old. Like I said, I was barely creating toast at your age.